Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a large unboxing. The box is so large I can't even fit it in the whole screen. So I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna take it out of the Amazon box and then I'm gonna come back. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you're all doing well. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like. It does help my channel out, and always leave me a comment. I enjoy reading them. I always get back to you, and yeah. Let's open this big old box. This box is like 2 foot big, I think. Yeah, it's a biggie. All right, let me open it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I have another box inside a box, and I forgot to turn my light on. Okay, so I just took this out of an Amazon box, so now I have to open this box. But this came to me from SanerDirect Store. They asked if I could show this, and I was like, absolutely. This is, what did I do with my box cutter? I just had it. Alright, let's go ahead and we're going to open this up. But this is an A2 LED light pad. And it has got the USB. Okay, let me just open this up. We're going to pull this. Maybe. Let me get everything out of the way. And of course, I have it upside down. Oh, I hear things moving. I hear things moving. Let me just flip the box over. Okay, I'm gonna pause and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and I'm glad I did pause because I ended up hitting the camera, making it all wonky. Yeah, so this comes with your cord, and it looks like we have got some on and off. We have bright, dim, and something. It comes with 2 clippy things, and I know my lighting sucks. We are having some major storms today coming through, and I also kind of don't have a whole lot of light on right now because I wanted to show y'all how bright this was. Plus it actually comes with, ta-da, a charging box, which most of the time they don't. Okay, so let me take and move this, and we're going to take this out of this big old bubbly bubble wrap. I will say that it is well protected, because look, it's also wrapped in plastic, y'all. So we have a box. A big old Amazon box. Well, we have an A2 light pad in plastic, in bubble wrap, in a box, in another box. So it is well protected. Okay, so there's that. Alright. Turn her around again. Alright, so just looking at the back. Alright, so, alright, let me see if I can get a better, no, this is about as good of a view as I'm gonna get, y'all. Okay, so, like I said, this is an A2. It comes with the 2 clips so that you can hold your canvas onto the sides if you need to, or whatever. If you draw, you can hold your paper. This is, let me get my trusty, okay, this is a 25 by 18 inch 3-color light. I'm just kind of looking at my, actually I'm just kind of looking at the Amazon thing. It says that it's got aluminum alloy frame. It has a white light, soft light, and a warm light. Okay, let's take this. It has a level 1 through 10 on the brightness. It has your it's a 0.8 centimeter thickness. You can charge this with a power bank, your computer, or the plug, which I'm still shocked that they sent this, because normally they don't. And of course it has your scale up here and on the side so that you can measure things. Okay, so let me, okay, first off, let's do this. And then, y'all, I am working on a diamond painting, and I'm about to pull my hair out with it, and I don't know. It's an older kit. It's a Diamond Art Club, and I am very aggravated with it. Alright, so we got that plugged in. Alright, and this, of course, just plugs in like so. And then we're going to plug it in over here. Alright. And then we're going to I'm going to turn my light off. That's why I had it off in the first place. Alright, so, of course, you're illuminated. If y'all can see that. That lets you know that this is plugged on and there is power to it. So we're going to, turn that on. That is bright. So we're going to turn it down. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then you've got your soft, warm, and I guess that would be the bright. Yeah. I like that. Alright, let me get my diamond painting that I am working on. And y'all just give me a minute. Like I said, I'm so aggravated with this diamond painting. I'm about ready to just pull what little bit of hair I have left on my head out. I started it, oh, about a week ago, and I don't know. I've got popping drills. Like I said, it's an older kit. I've had it for probably, I don't know, since 2021. And this is what I'm working on. And I love her. I love Michaelina. She's a square, but I am having so many issues with the black. And of course, this was before they changed to the good drills. But I'm at my wit's end. And I started multi-placing, and then I stopped because of the popping drills. And I've started checkerboarding, so which means all this black I have started. Well, honestly, I have gotten so frustrated with this kit that I have honestly just started single placing everything, even the colors. I'm like, well, maybe I don't know, but I was only 4 placing. It's not like I was like doing anything larger. But let's turn this up now. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I think the on and off equals the 10. I don't know. Ooh, I missed one right there. Alright, so you can see the gapping. Like I said, these are the bad drills. These were the drills before they actually started making the good drills. But you can see where there's gapping, which you're going to have gapping anyway. But these, like I said, these were the bad drills. And I have got popping. I have went over this like I don't know how many times. But anyway, it's just irritating, and it's like, I don't know. It's like it's like I don't even want to finish it. It's like I just want to roll it up, put it back in the thing, and just be like, no. But I'm one of those people. Once I started, I'm not gonna put it up. I'm gonna finish it. If it takes me a month of Sundays, I will finish her. But I'm gonna be pulling my hair out and fussing and cussing the whole way through unless it gets better. But anyway, so anyway, this is wonderful. I can see I can see everything. So, and it's big enough that, let's see, what size is she? She is a 69 by 55 centimeter, which is a 27.1 by 21.6 inch. And she fits perfect on here with extra. So the A2 is perfect with her. And see, if I wanted to, I could take, if I just wanted to measure, say, how big she is, I could. See? So, yeah, this light pad is wonderful. I really like it. And if I needed to clip her on there to keep her from moving, I can with the clips that they sent. So that's pretty neat. Now, I wonder if I have to have this hooked. Well, I guess you do. Yeah. So this is not a light pad that you charge and then you can walk away. Now, I did notice there are no feet on the bottom, so it will slip around, but, I mean, you can put your own feet on there. All you gotta do is buy some of them little felt sticky pad things, or those little sheets, or them them doohickeys, them, oh, those little mats that we get to put on here, to put our, those little sticky pad things that we put on here to put our trays and stuff on, that keeps them from not moving. You could put that underneath this to keep it from not moving. That would work. So yeah. So what do y'all think about this? I think it's nice, and I do recommend it. I'm gonna see, that would be the warm light. That would be your normal bright. And then that would be the soft light. And then that is up as high as that goes. And then you would put it down, depending on how bright or how dim you wanted it. And then you turn it off. So what do y'all think? I like it. I think it looks nice. It's huge. So yeah. I was expecting there to be a film over it, but shoot, with all the protective stuff on it, it doesn't need any film. But like I said, I'm just impressed by the fact that they sent a charging box. Because I don't know why, but they have stopped doing that. So yeah, that's cool. I like that. So alright, y'all, that's all I got today, and I just want to thank them for sending this to me. And again, I will put the link in my description box. And I just want to thank SanerDirect Store for sending this to me to show to all of y'all. Please go check them out. Let me make sure I am not forgetting anything. No, that's about it. So yeah. So make sure y'all leave me a comment. I enjoy reading them, and I always get back to you. And that's it, y'all. So until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.